and to attend this program of vaccination, and I as minister, I have been advised to remain with your honor, with your excellencies, and I went to Rupganj and I am now here to start this program. Inshallah, we hope with all of your cooperation, with the cooperations of our media people, we have been able to arrest this crisis, and we hope by next 7 days we can control the attack of measles and we can save our children from this attack of measles, and it will stop, it will be running non-stop. We will continue this vaccination program all over the year, and time to come ahead will not stop. We will be having our full stock of vaccination, and we have decided to keep the stock of the vaccines for 6 months ahead so that we never face any problem regarding the stock of the vaccines. We hope with your help we can proceed further, we can meet the crisis, and we want cooperation. I, on behalf of the government, again thank you very much for your attendance here, for your appearance here, and for the help we have been receiving from UNICEF, Gavi, and World Health Organization, and from United States too, in all of our economic activities. আমরা যখন এই প্রোগ্রামটা স্টার্ট করি, before we start this program, there is a problem with our porters, those who carry the vaccine, and the field workers, those who have you have mentioned. Alhamdulillah, we have been successfully handled them. We are going to mitigate their problems. The salary of the porters, we have sit in a meeting. We are going to start to pay their salary very soon. And the gradation problem, the promotion problem of the field staff, we are also going to solve it. They are highly pleased, and all of our field staffs are working without any interval. They are happy. We are going to make them happy. There will be no problem. The shortage of the staff we are going to meet by recruiting 100,000 manpower in health sector, and 80% of whose will be from the women as caregiver, midwifer, etc. There is no problem in the field side. Amader kono problem nei. Inshallah, we are going ahead with all of the staff. Thank you very much.